Hi. Hey, Doug, he is live out for the turkey carve-off. Hey, Doug, how's it going out there?
Hi, ladies. Let me tell you what. They have been chomping at the bit. They haven't been biting the turkey, but they've been chomping at the bit, waiting to get this competition underway. So is everybody ready to begin your turkey that's going to be in a football theme? On the count of three. 3, 2, 1, start the carve-off. All right, now here's the thing. Each one has got a different theme. We've learned that we're going to have one on the 50-yard line. We've learned that one really hasn't told us what they're going to do other than this iron cactus here. Wait till you see what's going to be coming for a field made of parsley in a little bit. We have a Cardinal player that's going to be making an appearance. It involves dreadlocks and a bum knee. So that's all I can tell you at this time. And then I kind of like what we're doing here for anybody that happens to know what that's all about. They may be trying to show a future Super Bowl maybe between the Patriots and the Cardinals perhaps. And then we have our junior players down here that's the whole thing right there. So listen, I'm telling you right out of the garden, everything is au naturel, except for the football they might be stuffing inside. I'm not too sure about that. They are taking this very seriously, folks, and there's a reason why, because this is serious business we're talking about. St. Vincent de Paul's, believe it or not, they are serving 3,400 meals a day out of this facility. Think of that. 3,400 meals a day. And this Turkey Tuesday, tomorrow, is the largest turkey. Don't cut yourself over there. That's okay. It's the largest turkey fundraiser in the country, and they expect to raise 22,000 turkeys. And they're going to start using those turkeys right away. They're going to be putting them in some boxes, lunch boxes that can go out. And by the way, the money equivalent to that is over $340,000. So we want to thank everybody that's already donated. And if you haven't donated yet, there's still plenty of time. You can donate to any bashes as well throughout the valley. So get out there, help those folks here at St. Vincent de Paul. It's an unbelievably great cause. There's a lot of hungry mouths here in the valley. We got to make sure that they get fed. The competition is continuing. And is it me, or do I feel as though there's a snake somewhere in my future? I don't know. I don't know why I feel that way.
You know, Doug, that carving and all of that, it looks a little dangerous and painful, all of that going on back there.
They are not allowing me near any sharp items.
Stay away, yes.
Near any knives or anything of the sort. So far, so good.
I don't blame you.
We'll give you an update in a little bit.
All right. Thanks,
They're going slow and meticulous. Slow and meticulous.
Yeah, you don't want to slip of the hand there. Be too close.
No. Yeah, that was like some serious carving. Okay.